Hi everyone, my name is Aura Valentierra, and today I want to ask you something your doctor probably hasn't. Can your microbiome predict a heart attack? Heart disease is the number one cause of death worldwide. We are used to blaming cholesterol, blood pressure, or genetics. But what if we've been overlooking something more microbial? Inside your gut, microbes are hard at work, not just breaking down food, but transforming it. They take nutrients like choline from eggs or L-carnitine from red meat. Certain bacteria convert those into a molecule called TMAO, which means trimethylamine monoxide. TMAO has been linked to inflammation and plaque buildup in arteries. And in 2011, a study led by Dr. Stanley Hazen at the Cleveland Clinic showed something shocking. People with higher TMAO levels were significantly more likely to suffer heart attacks or strokes. So, does that mean TMAO causes heart disease? Well, not exactly. TMAO might not be the villain, just a messenger. Think of it like smoke. Smoke doesn't cause the fire, but it tells you something's burning. TMAO may be signaling that your microbiome, your diet, and your immune system are tangled in ways we're just beginning to understand. So, how did scientists even find out about this? The answer is bioinformatics, which is the data science of life. Researchers scanned thousands of microbial genomes to identify the exact genes responsible for producing TMAO. Without these tools, the link between diet, microbes, and heart health would have stayed invisible. Now, here's where we need nuance. TMAO is often linked to red meat, but let's be honest, red meat consumption has gone down in the US. Meanwhile, rates of heart disease, diabetes, and autoimmune disorders have gone up. So, clearly, something else is at play. That's why some researchers, like Dr. Eric Westman at Duke, are shifting focus to inflammatory diets. He has helped patients reverse chronic conditions using low carb, anti inflammatory approaches, though these haven't yet been studied in microbiome terms. Still, it raises a hopeful idea. What if by changing our diet, we can change our microbes and change our outcomes? Now, imagine this. What if your stool sample could tell you more about your heart risk than your blood test? We are approaching a future where personalized gut testing might become a standard part of prevention, where we screen not just for cholesterol, but for the microbial fingerprints linked to chronic disease. So, I'll leave you with this. If your microbiome could predict a future heart attack, would you make a change today? Not because someone told you to, but because your microbes were trying to warn you. Our God may not have a voice, but it leaves us clues. The question is, are you ready to listen? Thank you so much for listening.